welcome to my skin locker, and as promised last week, I'm here with yet another video, and this time we are dealing with hair. So I have few shampoos in front of me that I finished in past year and a half. So I'll be going through each one of these. Like always, if you have any questions, worries, put them down in the comment section and we'll get back. This is going to be a relatively short video because there is really not a lot of explanation that needs to be done on these shampoos. Next up would be the hair treatments and the conditioners. That's all. I'm making these videos in these sections so that it is not overwhelming for me as well as you to just go through these videos. So we'll try to be a little quick this time. So we're going down with the products that I have here in front of me. Let me quickly tell you about my hair and scalp. I have a normal scalp. It's neither oily nor dry. I suffer from occasional dandruff, especially during the change of seasons, but that is a type of condition that's pretty much manageable. I have a wavy hair. They are fine, but I have a lot of hair on my head. From past 6-7 months, I've been dealing with quite a case of hair fall. It's kind of manageable now, but the product that you will be seeing after this particular video would be geared towards hair fall control and just like that. So all these products are the products that I had before I was dealing with my hair fall journey. I believe I made myself clear, so let's quickly get on with the video. I'll start off with the Indian brand shampoos first. So the three that I have here with me is this one from the brand Nat Habit. This is Fresh Navdha shampoo. This one is Amrutam's Bhringraj hair therapy, and this one is Avimee Shakuntala. Now I've tried this Amrutam shampoo several times throughout these years. This is probably one of the best Ayurvedic shampoos that we have in the Indian market. I really do enjoy this one. I use it on myself, I use it on my kids. It has a real nice scent. It lathers beautifully, cleans the hair without stripping them off. It's really beautiful. It's gentle yet effective. So out of all these three Ayurvedic based shampoos, my favorite, like I just rambled about, is this one from Amrutam. The bottle looks really messy because this thing was lying around in the bin for a very long time. So yes, Bhringraj from Amrutam is a great shampoo if you are looking out for something in the Ayurvedic department zone. Definitely give this product a try. Absolutely love it. Then I would go for both of these. I really do not just care for either of these two shampoos. They were like, okay, I did the job. These are the kind of shampoos that I go for my first cleanse, like when I am ready to wash my hair. I generally have a habit to apply oil and then I wash my hair the next day. So these are the kind of shampoos, let's say the cheap ones, but the gentle ones that remove that first layer of gunk, and then I go in with my expensive products so that I do just it helps to boost in the longevity of those products. But apart from that, they did the job well, but I did not enjoy either of these two, so these would not be coming back into my routine. Amrutam, however, has always been there, but right now I have a lot of shampoos to go through. but this is definitely something that's coming back, and I absolutely love this one. If you have small children at home, give the shampoo a try. It's really beautiful. It gives that natural shine to your hair. So I absolutely love this product. Next up, I have this very disgusting looking bottle, and it's from this brand Gallinee. Once again, I've talked about this particular brand in my previous video, like it's no longer available in India. This is the shampoo that I tried from them. I really did not care for this particular shampoo. It never, I mean, like whenever I washed my hair, irrespective of how many times I washed my hair with it, it never felt as if my hair were clean. So that's something. It's neither available nor will I be repurchasing myself. However, if you're looking to try this product out, and you can easily get it wherever you are living apart from India, I would highly suggest that you give their face vinegar a try. That is the star of the lineup. Okay, the next on and off kind of shampoo that I have with me is this one from Love Beauty and Planet. This again is something that I have on and off in my shower routine, depending upon like how I reach out for. This again is a kind of shampoo that I treat as the first cleanser rather than the sole, shampoo in my hair care routine. So it's a good one. It has a nice clean scent to it. I enjoy using this product, so the good one out there. Next up, I have this Bodyshop ginger shampoo. This is a product that has a cult following for I don't know the reason, but this shampoo gave me a very bad case of dandruff. It is supposed to be an anti-dandruff shampoo, but for my particular hair type or scalp, you can say, it really irritated my scalp. I had a lot of build-up on my hair, and this thing really did aggravate that itchiness and redness on my scalp. So there is something in here that really does not agree with my hair or my scalp. So this is the product that's definitely not coming back. Not only it irritated my scalp, it made my hair feel so dry, frizzy and brittle. Like whenever I used to touch my hair and squeeze them a bit, I could hear that crunchy sound. So that's something that I really do not want for myself. So this thing is definitely not coming back. Next product here is from the brand ALFAPARF MILANO. It is supposed to be a repairing, hydrating conditioner, I believe. A shampoo. I picked up this shampoo and the mask that comes along with this line. I enjoyed the mask much more than the shampoo. The shampoo was decent, like it did the job. It cleansed beautifully without weighing my hair down, but it really did not wow me. I like I told you, liked the conditioner more. Kelp Forest shampoo from the brand Bathing Culture. This is like the worst shampoo that I've ever tried. I had the conditioner as well. I prefer the conditioner over the shampoo. The shampoo is absolutely rubbish. I don't know if the brand is still making one, but if they are, God knows who's buying them, because this shampoo does absolutely nothing for my hair. Like, really do not care for it, and I'm definitely not going to pay that price for that kind of stuff. Anyways, let's quickly talk about my absolute favorite, one of my absolute favorite shampoos, I should say, of like my life. This is the OI shampoo from Davies This oil line from Davies is like one of my absolute favorites. I've been using these products for quite some time now, like a few years now. Absolutely love the shampoo, the conditioner, everything I tried from this line. I absolutely love the scent. I love the scent so much. So if I have to rate, I prefer the shampoo and the basic conditioner that they had instead of the hair butter, because I believe the conditioner that they have in this line gives my hair much more softness and that manageability than the hair butter. Hair butter is a bit expensive, but in terms of when it comes to, you know, hydration and that softness in the hair, the basic conditioner mask that they have in this line is far much better than the hair butter that they came out with, which I'm going to talk about in the next video. Anyhow, last two products are from the Korean brand Lador. I've been testing out these products for quite some time now, and you can see I've completely finished up this 530 ml of bottle here, so I'm very diligent with the products. Out of these two products, I prefer this one from the brand. This is their Reboot Awakening Shampoo. This one has red ginseng and beer yeast. It really cleansed my hair beautifully without, like I'm saying, without drying down my scalp or making my hair too dry and, you know, frizzy. It really cleansed them properly, nourished them, and I absolutely love the way it felt, like the way my hair felt after it, and it mildly takes care of the dandruff as well. This one has a slight tingly sensation when you put it on, so I prefer this kind of shampoo for the summer months rather than the winters. But this is a beautiful shampoo from Lador. And the another one that I tried from the brand is this Anti-Dandruff shampoo from them. It's a reasonably priced product. Does last for some time. This one has salicylic acid and menthol in here. I won't say that it was very effective as far as the dandruff